Have you ever found yourself sifting through a long text file only to realize you need to jump straight to a specific line? It can be a real hassle, right? Well, today we're going to tackle how to efficiently navigate to a known line in a file without unnecessary processing. I totally get it. You want to skip all the lines that don't matter and get straight to the good stuff. This is a common frustration for many programmers and anyone working with text files. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what is the best way to go to a determined line in a text file without processing the previous lines? They provided an example with a file containing several lines, and they wanted to jump directly to a specific line. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? The user is currently using a method that reads through each line until they find the one they want. This means they are processing lines that are irrelevant, which is inefficient. Let's explore a better way to achieve this. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll learn a much more efficient method to jump to a specific line in a file, and I promise it will save you time in your coding projects. To efficiently access a specific line in a text file, the user can utilize the fseek function. This function allows the user to move the file pointer directly to the desired line without reading through all previous lines. Next, the user needs to calculate the byte offset for the line they want to access. This can be done by knowing the length of each line and multiplying it by the line number. After calculating the offset, the user should open the file and use fseek to move to that position. Then, they can read the line directly using fjets. Finally, the user can close the file after reading the desired line to free up resources. This is an important step to prevent memory leaks. Fun fact, the concept of file pointers and seeking in files is similar to how you might skip to a specific chapter in a book. Wouldn't it be great if we could do that with all our reading? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that in C, you can't directly jump to a specific line in a text file because files are treated as streams of characters. However, you can use the fseek function to navigate through the file if you know the byte offsets. Since lines don't have special markers, you need to read through the file to count lines instead of searching for patterns. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach suggests that if you know the specific line number you want to access, you can simply read through the file line by line until you reach that line. This method avoids unnecessary string searches. Here's a pro tip. Always keep track of line lengths if you plan to use this method frequently. It will save you a lot of time and make your code cleaner. And there you have it. You now know how to jump directly to a specific line in a text file without unnecessary processing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!